So, ito po yung dalawang formula milk na ginamit namin sa aming mga dalawang babies. So, for the newly born, we use this one, yellow, 0 year old to 1 year old, Tanjobi. So, age 0 to 1 year old for newly born, ito yung ginagamit namin, yung yellow formula. Ito, yung Pure. And then, yung ano ko, yung second born naman ay, ano na siya, magto 2 years old na siya, malapit. So, this is the follow-up formula. This one. Follow-up formula. Okay, so from 9 months to 3 years old. Okay. So, first, sa ano natin, sa infant formula or for newly born, so from one half ka get sumade. So 2 weeks until 0 to 2 weeks, equivalent to 3.0 kilogram ang weight ng bata. 4 saji, so 4 spoons, equivalent to 80 ml, 7 to 8 times a day. So usually ang interval nito ay nasa every 3 hours. So ngayon, yung baby namin ay nasa 2 weeks na siya and on the way to 1 month. So, and yung weight niya ay nasa 3.7 na. Yes, tama. Tapos, ito, 6 spoons. Yung spoon dito na, 6 spoons. Tapos, equivalent to 120 ml. So, nagiging ano na siya, lower 6 times a day. That means, at least every 4 hours. Pero minsan kasi, nagdedepende kami dun sa pag umiyak yung baby, bigyan namin kagad. Kasi minsan, binabamit yung yung pinainom namin na milk. Actually, ang ginamit ko po ay infant formula at saka mixed breastfeed. More on breastfeed. Pero pag sa gabi kasi, kailangan mo talagang mag-wake up ng until mga example 12. Tapos next 3 hours is 3. Then next to that is 6. Ganon. So, hindi talaga mahirapan ako sa pagtulog. So, yung hubby ko or husband yung nagbigay. So, ito na po yung binigay niya. So, at least matutulungan din yung sleeping hours. So, yan. Ito po yung mga different vitamins. So, the older the baby, pag mag 1 month na siya to 2 months, at saka yung weight niya ay nasa 4.6 na, nagiging 7 spoon. That means 146 times, 6 times a day. So, at least 4 hours interval. So, yan po ang sa newborn. Ang next is itong pink follow-up formula. So, kailangan po talaga na ng baby ang, milk para sa, sa bones, diba? So, at least may vitamin C baby. Yung second born ko na almost magto 2 years na. So, depende din yan. 9 months to 12 months, 8.4 kilogram. 5 times. So, 2 to 3 spoons. Tapos, 80 to 120. Ganon. So, tapos pag 1 year old and above to 3 years old, kung ang weight niya ay nasa 9.2 kilogram and up, 2 times na lang. Tas 5 spoon, 200 ml to 400 ml. But in our case, since kumain naman talaga yung bata namin, so ang ginawa namin is pinapakain naman siya ng fruits, additional vitamins. So ang nangyari, we only give one time na lang yung binigay namin na milk kay baby, pero nasa 200 ml siya. At least, diba? So, yan po ang mga makuha na vitamins. Yan lang po. Thank you for watching. And now we are ready to put the formula milk. Nag-mix kasi si baby. Breast milk, and formula. Ayan. Here, 120. Medyo mainit, so we're going to pull it out. Ayan, feeding time.